So I was leaving to go pick up my kids from school today, and I opened the door and bam, there was a huge box at my front step, and I'm super excited because I wasn't expecting anything. I didn't order anything, and then I look at it and it says to Natalie from my boss. So let's open it together. First, there's a card in there. Of course, cards matter first, so I'm going to read it. Natalie, thank you for working across all the locations you supported this season. Blank, 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 blank. At this store and that store. I'm doing that to keep my own privacy because y'all be crazy. Your independence, ownership at the business, and ability to build strong in-store relationships truly stood out. You're an amazing salesperson. Hope you and your family have a great holiday season. Best. Ashley. Shout out to you, Ashley. I'm excited. She sent me a box. And it's a bunch of little goodies, so we're going to open it together. That's my second. So I had that candle first. Next I have this chapstick, which I'm going to open right now because my lips are dry. Try out cute peppermints. And it's minty. And she got me a pack of pens, which thank God, because I could never find a pen. I never had one for school. I'm always borrowing one. There was underneath my car seat. They fell out of my purse. They never have ink in them if I do have them around. So, and these are really cute. Little stress relief squishies. My daughter calls them squishies. Then, if you didn't know, I work for Paco Rabanne, Carolina Herrera, and John Paul Gaultier. I've been vending with them just for the season. I started in September, and I'm actually extremely grateful for the opportunity that I've been given with this company to really drive myself and get into the sales field and really push marketing and beauty products, fragrances, and things like that. As you know, I've been in the beauty industry for a really long time, and I've always dealt on the makeup side of things, so fragrance was brand new for me. But I love Carolina Herrera fragrances, John Paul fragrances for women and men, Paco Rabanne for women and men. Don't sleep on those fragrances. You need to go check them out. Box number 1. And gold for her. This one is amazing, nice and soft, sweet smelling a little bit, but I highly recommend this for someone who is looking for a collector's bottle as well. The packaging is beautiful, and I don't have this one yet, so now I have it. Mwah. Thank you so much, Ashley. She's opening my hand too. Look at this. So this one is the Phantom Elixir for Men. For my hands. I was running out.
Is that another perfume?
I was running out of this.
Oh, is that the body one? That's so cute.
I don't know if I can show this one, so I'm not going to show this one. But it's John Paul Gaultier Divine. I don't know if it's released or not yet, but this one's nice, and it's an exclusive bottle. I'm going to show you the bottle without the sleeve, or maybe she just gave me a sleeve. But this is the bottle originally. Mine comes with a sleeve that I don't know if it's out yet, but this is the Divine bottle. So just so you guys can see, it smells amazing, nice and sweet as well. A little bit floral if you like that kind of thing. Then I have one last one. It's truly Christmas all over again. Cobalt Elixir for Men. Again from Carolina Herrera. Carolina Herrera, if you see this video, shout out to you, girl. Absolutely love your brand, love your makeup, love your fragrances, love everything about you. And it's been such a joy working for your company. And these are the perks, right? Yay! Thanks for watching.